Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about how to clean the microphones on your hearing aids. We've been noticing in our clinic that a lot of hearing aids have been coming in with the concern for not performing the way it used to, sounding weak or softer. And when that happens, a large majority of the time it's attributed to having debris in the microphones. So we wanted to go over with you today how to properly clean the microphones on your hearing aids. This is something we recommend doing every night when you take your hearing aids out before you go to bed or in the morning before you put them in. So I'm going to start out with an in-the-ear hearing aid, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the ports of the microphone. So on this device, there actually is only one, and it's represented by this circle right here. In most in-the-ear devices, there would be a second microphone located over here. The two will look identical. The best way to clean these is to take a brush. Either variety will work, and you just want to brush over the top of that microphone port at the end of the day to get rid of any loose dirt, dust, or debris. Moving on to some of the behind the ear models that we have here, and each one of these are a different manufacturer, so understand that depending on the manufacturer you have, your microphone port positions might be slightly different. I'm going to show you on this one here first. For this device, you have a microphone port that's located here, as well as one on the side here, and there's one on the opposite side here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take those bristles of the brushes and go into those openings and get out any loose dirt, dust, or debris. This would be a sample of an Oticon hearing aid. We're going to move on to a Phonak device. So very similar to the last one, you have a hole here, and then you have a microphone port or hole on either side up here. Again, just take the bristles of those brushes and go in and brush that off. Finally, I'm going to show you a Starkey device. These are a little bit different than the other two in that the microphones are actually recessed underneath this cover. So you're not going to see a true hole with these, but it's very important that you brush along the edge of this oval shape here to get any loose dirt, dust, or debris that may accumulate on the edge of the cover itself. So that's how to clean a microphone. Very simple, but something that needs to become part of your daily routine to ensure that your hearing aids will perform to their best results and reduce the risk for needing a repair. I hope you found this helpful. Have a fantastic day.